Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here, then you come to or enter to your profile here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it here, then you enter to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account, you enter to this list, then you click here on register account. So when you just click on it here, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just you enter to connect Plato to your Google account, clicking this sign of this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.